Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a new video. As most of you guys already know, all of my close friends and as much of you subscribers probably are new to the channel, new to my life and everything like that, I got into a little accident last week, somewhere around Wednesday night, Thursday night, and well, yeah, without sugarcoating it, I broke my hand. So that's never fun. It's never exciting or anything like that. Today I have an appointment with the orthopedic, hopefully to find out more news about it, see what I've been. Hopefully there's no permanent damages, no nerve damage or anything like that. Not 100% sure if I'm gonna need surgery or not, or if the bone structure can be reconstructed. Pretty much just a quick summary of what really happened. It's called a boxer fracture, and so what it is, it's your third and fourth knuckle, pretty much meaning it is your ring finger and your pinky. And so long story short, I ended up punching a concrete wall. That concrete wall was pretty thick, to the point where when I swung at it, I didn't swing it with full impact to all of my knuckles. I actually swung at it kind of like at an angle. And so what ended up happening was I actually ended up pushing the third and fourth knuckle back just a couple of centimeters or millimeters back. It ended up cracking and splitting. Here, I'll kind of do like a little highlight, or I'll probably put like the x-rays like somewhere around here. Ended up pushing the bone structure a little bit back, and on top of that, I ended up splitting and shattering my bone in about 6 different places. One was a major crack that you can probably take a look in the photo. Like, I fucking hate being in this cast. It's the worst shit ever. I can't deal with it. My line of work and what I do mostly deals with me being behind a computer, typing, writing, and stuff like that, and it's just the worst. Keep in mind, I am a lefty. I can't use my right hand. Obviously I've been doing what I can to use my right hand when I drive, even when I shift as well. I try to use my right hand for the most part, but it's very challenging. But just a quick update on what's going on, and right now it is 7:38 in the morning. I do have an appointment at 8:10 with the orthopedic, so hopefully that goes well, and hopefully they give me good news. But nonetheless, let's get started with the video. Whew. All right, quick update. So I finally made it. I finally drove out here. It was like about 10-15 minute drive, but take a look right over there. That's the place right there. So let's see what happens. I finally got some good news. It's off. So it is a bit swollen and stuff like that in some areas and stuff. Said I don't need surgery. It will heal on its own and stuff like that. He is gonna put me in a permanent brace or permanent cast for about 3 weeks. For those 3 weeks, I should be perfectly fine to like do whatever I need to do and stuff like that and work. After the 3 weeks, I will be put on a rotatable cast or something like that he had mentioned. It should help me out for about 2 weeks, and then after that, I should be doing like a little bit of therapy sessions and stuff like that. Good news, people. La 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 la. Oh, you pressed the button.
No, I pushed something here. That's all.
Ah. Awesome. So, it's been several days. I forgot to update you guys.
It's been a couple weeks, not several days.
Nah, it's been a couple of days. But I got a hard cast. Watch. Oh shit. The ice pops in the lens. Watch. Haha. Nah, it's not gonna fit.
No, need a smaller one, but it's heavy.
Shit. So quick update. So they told me no surgery, no nothing. I should be able to heal in about 3 weeks from now. It's been about a week already. So I still got like 2 more weeks to go. It's all good though, whatever. Pros, obviously no surgery, no scar damage or anything in the tissue. Bones are healing, gonna heal on its own. On top of that, no permanent nerve damage. And what was the other one? No permanent nerve damage. And I might have early arthritis. It sucks, but it is what it is. You know, you can't do too much about it. But right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be tackling my Audi. That shit needs an oil change. It needs a.
We're gonna tackle it like a linebacker.
Yes, we are. All right, so Kev, can you get that shit out?
The grip pan, the big one.
Yeah, the oil filter on top. I know, I gotta clean up. I'm handicapped right now.
Get out of here. Bro, this shit's low key like a lot in here.
Anything? Come on.
Look, it's literally like right there.
You're good.
Alright,
It starts spelling, blame me.
I just feel it pushing, just like sliding back and forth.
Nah, you good.
Like that cameraman ninja walk. Like I'm totally give up.
Is it gonna fit?
I mean it is, but it's not gonna have room to like wrench open the. Cause it's like,
You want to raise it up?
yeah,
All right, hold on. What size?
17, 17. I think that's what the dream plugs are. Oh, this is so smart. Rather than like holding it and trying to pull it, I'm a genius.
I don't know. Here, let's do this. Perfect. Grab that one. And
Let's just take a second
Grab-
to appreciate the organization of this.
grab your weapon. This was post. No, this was pre-broken bone.
Yeah, this is
This is
like,
pre-broken bone.
Like, look at all the screwdrivers perfectly placed. Like, look at this.
Thank you. I try.
We should start like a toolbox challenge to see who had the cleanest toolboxes.
Clearly, mine's lost.
Nah,
I'm pretty sure there's a lot of clean toolboxes out there.
Austin's. I don't know about Austin.
Austin definitely lost.
Scapegoat lost. Alright, which snap-on? Yeah.
I don't know. The last video you said, what's wrong with Craftsman?
Well,
Here you go.
Mr. Snap-on, Snap-on. Snap-on, just shitty Craftsman.
Focus. Will it focus? Craftsman.
Snap-on. Snap. Snap.
Dragon Pop.
Wait, it's not Snap-on. Austin? Yeah, we'll bring it just in case. Shit. Genius. I'm a genius. Damn, crunch on that.
These are really good. I'm sorry, guys, but these shits are fucking phenomenal. God damn, Kev. Wait, where's the drain plug? On which side?
This side.
This side?
So we
Go
gotta go
on that side, yeah.
Oh, now you want to follow the logic of my side.
Alright, so for the record, I fucked up on the S14.
Bro,
I lifted it up on the wrong
He
side.
lifted the whole car on the side that the drain plug doesn't drain to. I'm like, you know there's still gonna be hella oil in here, right? He's like, shit, you're right. I'm like, of course I'm right.
It's an S14. It's always dripping. This is an Audi, it's always dripping oil. Yes, doggy.
The pinch welds right there.
Where?
Oh, my bad. These are here.
Yeah.
Yep. We'll slap it on right there.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Undercoating?
Yep.
Why don't you have a light outside door?
He said you should get a portable light my ass.
Is this one gonna work? Fuck. I don't think I charge. I'm sorry guys, I don't charge my tools. I kind of forget.
You should get a portable light. You know, when you're working outside in the dark.
What the fuck? I don't even have a light for myself right now. I can't even find one. No. Light in here. Nope. Light in here. Nope. I don't think there's a light in here. Nope. Shit, Kev. You're kind of fucked on this one. Kev!
Yes, sir.
No light. They're not charged.
You don't need your light. Good old iPhone guy.
Here, I got you. I mean, that's my job right now anyways.
It should be. Solid. Damn, that wheel gap though. Monster truck head ass like shit, boy. Oh. But then what? S what wheels? S5.
rims, yeah. Got those shit for a steal too. I feel like I did.
I mean, I don't know how much they regularly.
They're like 300 a piece.
Let's see what we go in.
Alright. Well, since I'm not doing much.
So
I'll be like, what?
first we gotta see if it is a 17. Oh, that bitch is way back here. 18.
What is it, 18?
Yeah. 17 was a little bit too big. I mean, a little bit too small now. This is my bad angle. Yeah, you like the double chin? Yeah. Snap on. Get it? The tool? Snap on?
Snap on. I mean, that's the reason why they made these.
Bro, is it not a... It's not 18 either, bro. What the fuck, mate?
What did you pick to begin with?
17? I told you, mine is a 17. Alright.
Got it?
Yep.
Alright. Gotta crack it first.
Yeah. The hat's coming off, boys.
Damn. That hairline, dude.
Hey, yo, chill. Just because you got a perm, don't mean you could crack on my hairline. I don't appreciate the way you just came at me like that.
Light taps. Yep, that's what I do.
Noise.
Got it?
Yep.
Nice. Okay.
I don't mind down my man. Why is it so long? Damn! See that?
Is it?
You see it?
Yeah, bitch is black.
Oh! What the fuck?
Oh, what the
Why did it just start coming out like that? You saw that?
Yeah, she black in a squirter.
Hey yo! Hey yo! I need to put that shit back in. That fucking meme.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Made it in?
I just said yeah.
2 for 2.
Oh shit. I did almost die. Third time this charm.
I'm just gonna go like this. Oh fuck, I missed. Made it in? Missed. This motherfucker I'm missing. Stop using the backboard.
Chill.
Shit, Kev. I told you to take the filter off.
You ain't told me shit.
Oh yeah, I did. I said take
it's
that
hot.
filter. Well, take it off, man. This shit ain't hot. It's just toasty.
It's warm. I prefer my oil filters facing like down. I think the best oil filters are like upside down, so it like drains down. I mean,
Alright.
or so when you like pull it out, it doesn't drip everywhere.
I don't mind losing that off.
This is a big bitch, bro. My oil filter is literally like 1/3 of the size of this. That bitch is long.
There you go, look. Look, it's supposed to this. Came right out.
A little intake, little plastic intakes.
Yeah, I know. This car's prone to have a lot of leaks.
A little baby turbo.
Where's my baby turbo?
Oh, that shit low key. Little baby spoolie boy. See that banjo bolt at the top?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I see it right there. It's probably terrible pump right there.
And you see this whole like shield right here,
Right there.
mad caked in oil. Okay.
Oh, no funnel game.
No funnel is like nice, easy. This one's the easy one. Castrol high mileage, 10W40. I don't know what that means, but 10W40.
10 weight in the winter time, 40 in the summertime. Now we learned something.
It's the springtime, so
Yeah,
what,
so it's a
what do you use
40
for then?
weight in the-
It's like,
40 weight in the summertime.
alright.
You don't even need a funnel for this.
But not at all. Oh no!
Bro,
Bro, there's oil literally everywhere.
I don't care. That's fresh oil. This is caked up oil right there. Caked up. Fresh oil.
No, you can't even tell. 'cause
Fresh
there's
oil right
everywhere. There's oil everywhere. There's
Right
nowhere,
there.
nowhere. You see nothing. Look. I'm not trying to get oil on my nice new hoodie.
So you got dirt and grass on your nice new hoodie.
Yeah, well, it's because I didn't find it. Because I found it. I don't care about it, you know.
Pour the last one in.
Oh, shit. Don't get too happy.
The precision in it.
Oh, I think I'm a little hairy. Like you.
I mean, I do trim.
Manscaped. No más. Acabaste terminar. El fin. Yo no sé qué más.
Now you gotta put the cover.
Yeah, where is it?
Right
Oh, there.
there. That's a. No, it's a cap. I was talking about the cover.
Oh, you don't put this before you put the cover? Oh, it has a hole in
It
it.
has a hole.
These new cars and they're plastic.
Yes.
That sounded very catastrophic. Would that just like clips on or something?
Yeah. Push on. Here, pop in. Lift up on it. Yeah, pop in. Should be good though. Should be good.
That's
Should be good.
weird as hell. I don't like that. Okay.
That logo is upside down.
You know what? Alright, so
Here, you fix it. There you go.
and
I'm not paying you to do a sloppy
it's
ass job.
just one little like twist.
Yeah, just
My shit, you gotta.
No, mine is just one.
What the fuck was
That's
that?
something Audi got perfectly right.
Oh, that's dirt.
What up?
Nasty ass German engineering. I'm all about that Japanese boy. What the fuck did I say? Oh, achoo. Achoo. It's like somebody sneezing. Achoo.
Where? Right there.
Achoo. Achoo. I'm used to seeing Spanish. Cuidado. Cuidado.
I'm used to saying Japanese and Korean.
Oh, what is this? You got no clips, bro. We need clips.
After my accident, I broke off all clips.
Bro, both our cars need fucking bumper clips.
Let it go slow. There you go. See?
Nice.
Struggling there, man?
Yeah, it was monster truck. All right. I was in the middle of doing this and this one. Night, night. Hey. Hey. Oh, he's knocked. So that might be a wrap for this video. We got some other little clips and stuff here. That'll be like a day 2 or like continue like a part 2 since this dude fell asleep. It is 10:58. Good night.